This is part 2 of Excel sorting videos. We will cover these topics in this video. You must watch the first part in order to understand the context of the second part. Just to recap, we have seen how to create a custom sorting list. We also saw how to do sort horizontally, how to use the same sorting list in pivot tables, and how to sort format using two methods, including a macro which I have created. And finally, we had some fun with dealing cards. For ad hoc purposes, part 1 is good enough. But in real life, you may get the same kind of data again and again. So you already created a custom list, ordered them accordingly, but now a new item comes or an existing item is gone. Now you have to reorder again. So that's a repetitive manual activity. And in this video, we are going to see how to automate it to the extent possible. So this is the input data, and every month I get more of it. It's a CSV file. We are going to import it through Power Query into a blank Excel file. In Excel, we have to go to data from text CSV, pick up the file and transform it. While importing the file, we are going to sort it in the order in which we want it. So transform data. This is the base table. The only thing we want to change is the order. Now, what is the order we want? So let's sort of make a duplicate of it. It's called a reference. This is a temporary table. In this table, the only thing I want is product. So right click on product, remove other columns. And again, right click on column, remove duplicates. Now we want to reorder. Unfortunately, reordering cannot be done here. So copy this. We'll go to Word, paste it there, Shift, Control V, and then reorder it exactly the way I want. Shift, Alt, up arrow, down arrow. Now select all of them, copy, come back to Power Query. We want this new order of things to be remembered. So I'm directly going to enter data. This is the only place where you can actually type or copy paste. So enter data, create table, paste. And we just have to give a name to the table. I'll call it product master. Click OK. Now what happens? I have the same table with the correct order. So I actually want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, row 2, row 3, like, and that is called an index column. So add column, index column, starting from 1. Now I want this index column to be added to every row of this table so that I can sort. That is done by combining two tables, or also called merging. So when you go to merge, it will ask you, okay, what do you want to merge this table with which table? This table. Product column is common. And now click OK. It has given the entire table. So we just expand on this and then say, just want this column. We got what we wanted, the correct order. And now this is the column on which we want to sort. It is in desired order. Job done. Now the last thing is to import the data. Now a common mistake people do is click on close and load, and in which case it will create all three tables in Excel. We are not interested in these two tables. Let them be there in Power Query. So we want to customize which one gets loaded, which one does not get loaded. So click on the close and load drop down, close and load to. In this case, I don't want to import anywhere. Just create a connection. Click OK. Now you will see all three connections here. Nothing has been imported. Now this data is the one I want. So right click on it. Now go to load to. And in this case, yes, I want that table. And that's how you get data exactly the way you want in the order in which you want it. Now let's look at the scenario where we have more data coming next month. I've just added 3 rows for demo purpose. The problem is they have different products in them. So now these are not going to participate in our custom sorting. If I refresh this, come to Excel and refresh, it will import the new data, but it doesn't know where to put these two guys. So it has put them on the top. We want custom ordering for the new ones as well. You'll notice that in the temp table, we had unique items. So let's open the temp table. Also notice that it has automatically picked up both these names. The reordering is something we have to do manually. Copy from here, paste in Word and reorder. After reordering, come back to our PM table. So on the right side, applied steps. In the applied steps, first step is where the table got created. And click on the wheel or sprocket. And now you can see the data. And then just paste the new data. Unwanted row, you delete. Click OK. Index column does not have to be added. We have gone back to the first step. Then there is a add index day, which will automatically add it. It will combine it with these guys and it will be automatically sorted. None of those steps you have to do. That is the power of Power Query. And now just say close and load. When you refresh this, you will get it exactly in the order you want. Now you must be wondering why I have kept that index column. We don't need it. I have kept it because I want to show you something in data model. There is a feature by which you can select where you can select a column and say, when I use it in reports, don't use this sorting order, use sorting order based on another column, sort by column. The indexing and sorting based on custom ordering has already been done by Power Query. So even though this feature exists in data model, we don't need it in our approach. So coming back, the last step we'll do is edit this query and simply remove the index. Everything will work as expected, and this is how you manage data with custom ordering on an ongoing basis. I'm sure you found this useful. Share it with people, ask me questions, and subscribe to learn equally powerful things almost on a daily basis. So that's it for now. See you next time.